Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 6 of our video series in which we are learning house related terms in Korean language. In this video series, we are focusing on a wide range of topics from rooms and furniture to household items and more. So if you have not watched the first 5 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 6th part. Here comes the first word and that is porch. In Korean it is called 현관. 현관. Next, let's see how you are going to say clock and that is 시계. 시계. Here comes the next word and that is dresser. In Korean it is called 서랍장. 서랍장. Next comes the Korean word for vacuum cleaner and that is 진공청소기. 진공청소기. Now let's move ahead and see how you are going to say fireplace in Korean and that is 벽난로. 벽난로. Next comes the Korean word for dressing table and that is 화장대. 화장대. Now let's move ahead and see the word for blanket. In Korean it is called 이불. 이불. Next comes the Korean word for doorknob and that is 문손잡이. 문손잡이. So 손잡이 means a handle or grip in general. Okay? And 문, we know, is the Korean word for door. So 문손잡이 is a specific word denoted to doorknob. Okay? Now let's move ahead and see how you are going to say bookshelf in Korean language and that is very easy. 책장. 책장. 책 is the Korean word for book. Fine. Now let's move ahead and see the word for shoe rack in Korean and that is 신발장. 신발장. Here also you can see that the Korean word for shoe is 신발 and you attached the word 장 with it and it translates into shoe rack. Next comes the Korean word for bathtub and that is 욕조. 욕조. Now let's see the Korean word for lamp and that is very easy. It is 램프. 램프. Next comes the Korean word for neighbor and that is 이웃. 이웃. And the last one is the Korean word for pillow and that is 베개. 베개. Okay, so today we learned a few Korean words related to house. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.